Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you'll learn the basics of using Power BI to build time intelligence. So if you've got data that you want to analyze over a period of time, you can do that using Power BI. I've got my Power BI desktop file opened, and on the right here, I've got a couple of data models that are brought in from a Microsoft Access database file. We have used this in previous video, these two models, so you should be familiar with them. So what I'm going to do is build a simple visual from this model. So I'll click on this drop down here. I'm just going to drag some of the fields over. So I'll drag the year and I'll make that a tabular view, and I'll drag the quarter over there, and let's see what else we need. We need the name of the month, so I'm going to drag that in there, and then from the sales table I'm going to drag in the revenue. I'm going to also change the type of visual, so I'm going to make that a stacked column chart so that you can see. So this basically represents the sales for each quarter. Now, if we want to do some time intelligence so that we know how the sales went for a certain period, we can do that. So if we look here above, there is an option here that says click to turn on the drill down. This is what you use to create the time intelligence. I'm going to click to turn that on. And you can see the key here represents different quarters, and you can see all the years. So if I want to drill down and just focus on how sales went for certain years, I can do that using some time intelligence. So let's say here I've got 2008. I want to see how the sales went throughout 2008. While I've got that selected, I'll right click and I can drill down, and that would show me, you can see here, it's showing me only sales for 2008. So it shows me all the month. So I can see here in 2008, the month of May gave me the month sales for quarter 2. And then we'll look at quarter 3. I didn't make as much sales as quarter 2. So this basically is time intelligence. So I can right click and drill back up. I right click and say drill up, and then it will return to how the data was. And I can pick a different time period to do some intelligence. So let's say I want to see how the sales went for 2006. I can right click and then click on drill down, and that will show me the records for 2006. So I can see here that for quarter 2 in May 2006, I had the most sales. And then here for quarter 4 for November 2006, the sales didn't do as well. So if I want to go back, I can just right click and drill back up, or you can use this arrow here. This arrow also takes you back up, and that returns to the normal view. And then you can drill through different time period or different years and then do basic time intelligence. That way you can tell which year you had the most sales, which month gave you the most sales, and so on. So it's just a basic way to do some time intelligence. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.